Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a restore point before changing network security. First, confirm which network profile Windows 11 shows, public, private, or domain, because rules apply per profile. Next, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, and choose Firewall and Network Protection. Once there, make sure the firewall is turned on for the active profile. This activates baseline protection. While doing this, note any running apps you expect to allow so you can add exceptions next. Now you'll make precise rules so traffic behaves as you intend. Open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security to access inbound and outbound rules. Click New Rule and choose Program, Port, or Custom depending on what you need to control. Ports are ideal for services, programs for executables. Choose Allow or Block, then define scope by IP range and pick which profiles. Private, public, domain, this rule applies to. Finally, name the rule with a clear label so you can identify it later. Finish by verifying the changes you made. Test connectivity using Ping or Telnet, or open the client app and confirm the service works. Enable firewall logging in the advanced settings to capture dropped packets. Reviewing logs shows why traffic was denied. If something's blocked, make sure the rule order and selected profile match your network. Incorrect profile is a common cause. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily run the app as administrator or disable the rule briefly to isolate the issue. Then re-enable protection once confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.